Welcome to DvSum tutorial series. Today we're gonna see administration. Let's go on the left side of the menu and choose administration. We're gonna click on it and we can see our drop-down menu. From here we can manage our users, manage user groups, manage user access specifically, or manage sources. Let's go into the first one. Go ahead and click on manage users. On manage users, we can add as many users as we want. It doesn't matter if it's 10, 100, or 1000. Here you can activate them, you can delete them, or you can edit them. For example, let's create a user. You need his first name, his last name, their email address. If you want to have an external ID, to add them to a user group specifically, if they need a user role, when will the account be active, and when will the account be inactive. After you fill this information, you just save. After that, they will receive an email with their login information. On the More Actions button, you can select the user, choose More Actions, and here you can activate, deactivate, or delete. That's it for this section. Let's move to Manage User Groups. On this section, you can create your own group. For example, sales, finance, products, engineering, data management, and you can add as many users as you want per group. You can also edit the group or delete it. That's it for this section. Let's move to Manage User Access. On this section, we can give access by source, by user, by public sources, or public tables. For example, here we can choose our data source and choose a user if we want to give a specific user some access. For example, a manager. Remember, when you want to give them access, you need to choose the kind of access you want to give: view, write, configure, or default. By here, you can give a specific user access to a source or add a different source. You can give access by public sources or public tables. That's it for this section. Let's go into Manage Sources. Here in Manage Sources, we can add our own data source. For example, since we don't have any more license, I'm just going to click on this one. And we're going to edit as if it was a add source. From here, we can see this is an Excel file, and we have to see where is that document coming from. But we also have many kind of data source types. For example, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, MySQL Server, Excel, or CSV, or SAP. If you have, for example, SQL Server, you just need to find out the host, the port, the instance name, the schema name, and a DvSum username and password. After you have completed this, you can refresh your catalog and you can start doing your own profiling on your information. That's it for today's video. I'll hope to see you in the next one.